Hi all. Today I am going to tell you very powerful mantra. The name of mantra is Shanti mantra. Whenever you are working within a team, within a group, and you want to work very peacefully, then just remember this mantra. So mantra is that Sahana Vavatu, Sahano Vanaktu, Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvi Navadhitamastu Ma Vidusavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Once again, I am going to say this mantra. Om Sahana Vavatu, Sahano Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvi Navadhitamastu Ma Vidusavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.